Hi everybody, today the typical Italian dessert. We're making tiramisu, which is one of the most famous Italian recipe, So this is my very own recipe that I love. So I want you to try this because you're not gonna be disappointed. The recipe is very easy, so I'm just gonna show you how I make it. And let me know what you think. If you try it again, please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. I'll leave you with the photos and how I made it. Please enjoy the video. Bye! I'm gonna take 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. Those you're gonna see me show in the video are double because I'm gonna use it for another recipe. I'm gonna add 150 grams of cream without any sugar, 100 grams of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and I'm gonna put the whip on my KitchenAid and I'm gonna start mixing everything together. If you're doing it with a hand whip or electric whips, that's fine, it's just gonna take more time. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. If you have the real vanilla, that's fine too, actually it's even better. 1 pinch of salt, and gonna mix everything together for 3 to 5 minutes. It's not gonna take long. You're gonna stop mixing it when you see consistency it's stiff, so you bring the whip up and the cream stays on it without falling, like I'm showing you in the video. So to put everything together, I'm gonna take the container, I'm gonna put the tiramisu in, take 2 to 25 ladyfingers, some cold coffee that I made before shooting the video, and I'm using some chocolate chips. I'm adding a tablespoon of RHUM in the coffee because I like the taste of it, but it's optional, you don't have to use it. So I'm dipping the ladyfingers in the coffee and put it on the container. And as you see in the video, I'm just gonna add some of the mascarpone cream we made before and level it up on top of the ladyfingers. I'm gonna smooth everything, and then I'm gonna add the chocolate chip I was talking about before. In this case, I just used regular chocolate that I chopped, but I usually use chocolate chips, I just didn't have them that day. I'm gonna put another layer of ladyfingers that I dip in coffee and finish with another layer of the mascarpone cream. When everything is smooth, I'm just gonna clean the edges and I'm gonna put some cocoa powder on top. Add the rest of the chocolate chips that I had left over. Clean the edges again. And that's it, that's the tiramisu. How I made it, it's very easy, but I'm telling you, it's the best tiramisu you've ever had in your life. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!